I'm doing my first manga. My second manga. Oh, whatever it calls. But here is my books. I got Demon the Spell 1, Black Rose Alice 1, Demon the Spell 3, Demon of Spell 4, Demon of Spell 5, Demon of Spell 6, Demon of Spell 2, A Devil and Her Love Song, and Devil and Her Love Song 2. Okay, well, bye.